With its breathtaking natural beauty, historical wealth, and lively culture, Chile is one of Latin America's most dynamic countries. It is home to the towering volcanic peaks of the Andes, the famous Easter Island, the Atacama Desert, the Great Southern Lakes, and the Antarctic ice fields. One of the country's main seaports, Valparaiso, is a city that caters to its residents and visitors. A breeding ground for national arts, Valparaiso has been awarded World Heritage status by UNESCO and is considered to be the cultural capital of Chile. Nestling between the sea, hills, and sun, Valparaiso is adorned with back streets, street corners, hill lifts, and multicolored houses that seem to hang from the hillsides. A source of inspiration for poets, writers, painters, musicians, and lovers of all that is beautiful and romantic, Valparaiso offers numerous walkways and places to enjoy a variety of cultural activities and a flourishing nightlife, which makes this port one of the most attractive, interesting, and important stop-offs for the visitors that arrive every year, including students. Located less than 70 miles from the capital, Santiago de Chile, Valparaiso is home to some of the country's most important regional universities, including the Universidad Técnica Federico Santa Maria, one of Chile's leading national institutions in the areas of entrepreneurship and innovation, with major emphasis placed on science and technology.
Hi, my name is Katie. I am the International Affairs Coordinator at Universidad Federico Santa Maria, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about our university today. Our university opened for classes in 1932, making it one of the oldest universities in Chile. I'm standing next to a statue of our founder, Mr. Federico Santa Maria, who, in his will, left an endowment to create this university dedicated to science and technology in his hometown of Valparaiso. Today, there are around 60 universities throughout Chile. Our university is one of Chile's 25 private, not-for-profit universities, which we call traditional universities. Because of our reputation and quality of students, Universidad Santa Maria ranks as one of the top 3 most prestigious universities in Chile. With our primary focus on science and technology, we offer 43 undergraduate programs, 15 master's degrees, and 6 PhD programs. The range of programs includes engineering, like electronics, mechanical, industrial, environmental, and civil engineering, plus sciences, like mathematics, physics, and chemistry, as well as degrees in architecture, aeronautics, material science, and product design, just to name a few. We also offer a variety of continuing education programs that range from mechanical and industrial engineering to business administration. Universidad Santa Maria has 5 campuses, 4 in Chile and 1 in Ecuador. There are around 11,000 undergraduate students and almost 700 postgraduate students currently enrolled. Here at our main campus in Valparaiso, we have around 5,700 students. Each year, we welcome around 2,500 new students to all of our campuses. In addition to academic programs and coursework, the Universidad Santa Maria faculty, investigators, and students are involved in research work on our research centers around campus. The International Institute for Entrepreneurial Innovation, or 3IE as we call it, is the university's business incubator, which specializes in technological innovation. Here at 3IE, the mission is to help innovative entrepreneurs, whether they be professionals or advanced students, thrive in technology-based or knowledge-based firms in Chile and abroad. The businesses at 3IE have full access to office facilities, meeting rooms, and a wide variety of experienced consultants. Another center at the university is the Center for Study and Research on Infrastructure, CEII. As a part of the Department of Civil Engineering, it offers consulting for specialized engineering projects. Some research areas include highway systems and transportation, water technology, and urban development. For those interested, we do have centers for research and development in our Biotechnology Center and in the Integrated Center for Manufacturing and Automation. Not to mention the Aerospace Application Center at our Aeronautical Science Academy in Santiago, which has ties to the Chilean airline, LAN, and the Chilean Air Force. While Universidad Santa Maria does have a strong focus on engineering disciplines, it's not all just about living in the labs. From the day it opened, our university has encouraged students to be as much involved in the world around them as they are in their academics, which is why students can take electives in the humanities, ranging from philosophy to studio art to history to poetry. Our humanities department shows students that culture, arts, languages, and social responsibility do have a place alongside the career of a contemporary engineer. Sports also have a significant place at the university, with numerous sports facilities, gymnasiums, and pool open year-round, tennis and squash courts, football fields, and rooms for aerobics, weightlifting, and karate. Our students are encouraged to make time for sports. In fact, Universidad Santa María was the first in Chile to make gym class a requirement for students' first 3 semesters. With a firm understanding of globalization and the importance to strengthen links with the rest of the world, the university has participated in numerous exchange programs. Links have been made with North American, European, and Latin American institutions that allow students to embark on undergraduate programs as well as the chance to extend their education and learn about other cultures throughout the world. Likewise, the university receives students and academics the world over in its undergraduate and postgraduate programs, which include taking part in important research projects. Our International Affairs Office receives students for semester-long programs, intensive Spanish courses, and tailor-made programs. Around 2/3 of our full-time faculty have a master's or PhD degree, which means our students are being taught by experienced professors and researchers. With a student-to-faculty ratio of around 17:1, students get to know the professors. Plus, since the average class size is around 20 to 25 students, there's lots of interaction and room for personalized learning. As you've probably already noticed, this campus was designed to integrate academic areas and buildings with lots of green space. Here at the main campus in Valparaiso, we have over 90,000 square meters, all of which has Wi-Fi coverage. If we add that to the other 4 campuses, we have a total of 375,000 square meters. 125,000 square meters of that is built. We're also starting construction on a new campus in Santiago, where we'll house a few new programs and a lot more students. Our library system holds over 180,000 volumes, while providing access to e-journals, magazines, and newspapers through an extensive online database, all of which is available to students, faculty, and staff. The 4th floor of the library houses over 200 computers and has a great view of the ocean. Universidad Santa María, aside from being recognized in engineering, is widely appreciated for bringing artistic and cultural events to the region. Every weekend during the school year, the university invites musicians, orchestras, performance artists, theater groups, and singers from around Chile and the world to perform in our aula magna. In addition to these events, which are open to the public, our university radio station, created in 1937 as the first in Chile and in Latin America, also broadcasts artists and cultural events from around the world.
Well, I hope you've gotten a good sense of what we're about here at Universidad Santa María. If you're ever interested in visiting us or simply would like more information, please contact us by email at info.oai@usm.cl or by phone at 56-032-265-4599. Thank you for your attention, and we hope to hear from you soon.